Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kraken. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So yeah, before starting, you have to make sure that you have the correct plan or the version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. First, you will have to open your Kraken app and then you will have to log in. And next, you will go on the bottom menu and you will tap funding. If you're on desktop, it's at the top navigation bar. Then you will tap deposit and choose the cryptocurrency that you would want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP or whatsoever. After that, you will tap generate deposit address and your Kraken wallet address will appear with a QR code and a copy button. Tap copy address and now you will open the Coinbase app. Tap the send or receive icon at the top right or tap the asset that you would want to send and then tap send. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the to field and then enter the amount of the crypto that you would want to transfer. Double check the network. For example, if sending USDT, you will choose the correct chain like ERC20 or TRC20 depending on what Kraken supports. Then you will tap preview send, then tap send now. Your crypto will arrive in Kraken after network confirmations. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.